Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find mockups in the Canva app, step by step using your mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar type Canva. Make sure that your Canva app is updated to the latest version, because if you're using an old version, some features like mockups may not appear. Once the app is updated, simply open the Canva app. Now from here, select any project. For example, I'll choose YouTube thumbnail, but you can select any design size depending on your work. After selecting the project, look at the bottom menu and swipe to the left. Here, you will see the mockups option. If you don't see the mockups option here, don't worry. Just tap on apps and in the search bar type mockups. You'll see the mockups feature appear. Just tap on it. And now you can use different mockups for your designs. This is how you can easily find and use mockups inside the Canva app to make your designs look more professional and realistic. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.